Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammed Sirajul Faisi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Aminium salts. Protonation of primary, secondary or tertiary amines produces Aminium salts. You can see here RNH2 combined with HX forming RNH3 plus X minus. R2NH secondary amine combined with HX forming R2NH2 X minus. R3NHX R3NH plus X minus Aminium salts. So why it is so? It is the formation of Aminium salts that causes amines to dissolve in acidic aqueous media. Aminium salts are not basic. Aminium salts are not basic because there is no longer an non-bonding electron pair on the nitrogen atom. You can see here nitrogen contains lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Now in this product, this gone. So aminium salt are weak acids as conjugate acid of free base amines. I repeat, aminium salts are weak acid as conjugate acid of the free base amines. The general conjugate relationship applies in which pKa plus pKb is equal to 14. The minimum salts of aliphatic amines pKb approximately 4 have a pKa values of 10 like phenols. The minimum salts of aryl amines pKb9 are above as acidic as carboxylic acid. So quaternary ammonium salts, when there are 4 R groups alkyl or aryl attached to the nitrogen, the function is called quaternary ammonium ion. Look at this structure. These nitrogens have 4 alkyl group and positive charge which is counterbalanced with the halide. This is quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts are prepared by exhaustive N-alkylations of amine. Look at this sequence of reactions. We call it SN2 reactions and exhaustive N-alkylations. Look at Rx minus SX, RRNH again react with Rx minus SX, RRRN, and finally quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium halides having no unshared pair on nitrogens cannot act as bases. If, however, the halide ion is replaced with the hydroxide ion, they are fully ionic, strong bases like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. A strong base ion exchange resins are of this hydroxide type, with the quaternary ammonium ion covalently bonded to the polymer matrix. So friend, this is all about the quaternary ammonium salts, and that is important for because it is forming with exhaustive alkylations of amines. Now look at the solubility properties and separation procedure. So friends, I will talk this in next lectures and next video. You will just wait, and if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.